when one of these Lambo, well, any make, but Lambo, it probably got more exhaust swaps on Lambo than on Maserati. You float a valve.
Yep.
You need a motor.
Yep.
What kind of money for us regular people?
In the V12 world, it could easily be $100,000 repair. Funny enough, I was working on a Lotus, a 180X. It was one of the last Lotus Elises, a factory race car, and the fuel pump went out. When we pulled the fuel pump out of the car to inspect it and test it, me and one of the other technicians realized that it was actually originally from, it shared the same fuel pump components as and this is going to sound hilarious, but a Chevy Blazer. Late 90s, early 2000s. You're not going to see an Aventador here, unless we, are brokering a deal with it. But mostly it's Diablos, Miras, Countachs, vintage Ferrari Daytonas,
Testarossa 930, Porsche.
You got a white on white Countach. The Murcielago that's directly below me here is the only one ever painted in this color. I made a name for myself in this industry that to be trusted with these vehicles, to be lack of a better term, a curator. People would hand me the keys to their vehicles at events, or companies would hand me the keys to their cars, and they knew that I could be trusted with driving them, with promoting them, with presenting them in a way that was beneficial to their company and to the brand itself. And so that was, I actually almost enjoyed doing that more than, having just saying, oh, I could just buy that car and I drive it, it's fun, and I sell it, whatever. I mean, that's great.
For you, that's great as
well.
The people connection of being validated that somebody would trust you to the extent of here's the keys to one of the most valuable things in my life. Not that people are so out of whack on values, because of course your family and everything comes first, but these cars really are people's babies.
This has been Jeff Stearns, Connected Through Cars.